A big hello, adab, and namaskar to all my students. Today we will study chapter our neighboring countries of our social study book, Our India of class 4th. Today we will study about Bhutan, another neighboring country of India. My dear students, as you see this picture, Bhutan is a very beautiful country situated in the northeastern border of India. It is a hilly country surrounded by mountains from all sides. The mountain peaks in the northern part of Bhutan are always covered with snow. Now let's know about states that share border with Bhutan country. These are West Bengal in south, Assam also in south, Arunachal Pradesh in east, and Sikkim in west. Main rivers of Bhutan are Tongsha and Jiamichu. Both originate from mountains. Now let's know more about Bhutan country. My dear students, Bhutan has a constitutional monarchy system of government. It is a Buddhist kingdom in the Himalayan Eastern Age. It is famous for its monasteries and fortresses. It is beautiful. The capital of this country is Thimphu city. As you see in the picture, it is very beautiful and occupies a valley in the western interior. This city is famous for its Buddhist sites. Now we will know about national identities of Bhutan. My dear student, the first picture is of national flag of Bhutan. As you see, it has three colors: yellow, orange and white. There is a dragon in white color on it. Under it, you can see national emblem of Bhutan. And in the last of this picture, here you see national currency of Bhutan. It is called Gulturum. Dear student, this is the picture of national animal of Bhutan. It is an extremely rare species. It is a blend between cow and a goat. Here is the picture of national bird of Bhutan. It is raven. It is similar to crow, but it is larger than crow. This is beautiful poppy flower. It is national flower of Bhutan. This is cypress tree, which is national tree of Bhutan. Buddhism is the most followed religion in Bhutan. This is the main reason you can see beautiful and huge statues of Lord Buddha here. Main occupation and trade in Bhutan are farming. People are good craftsmen of wood and metal. Main crops are rice and wheat here. This is the picture of national sport of Bhutan, that is archery. National language of Bhutan is Dzongkha. In the last of this picture, you can see beautiful dresses of Bhutan that are worn by men and women. Dress for men is called go and female dress is called kira. I would like to share with you, my dear students, that people of Bhutan are nature lovers, very simple and joyful. They do not care about physical needs and materialistic world. They are religiously following their traditions and culture of their country. So, this was the chapter about Bhutan. Here, there are two worksheets for you to check your knowledge. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson and learned very much about Bhutan country. My dear students, you complete these worksheets and send to your class teachers. Next week, we will meet with another chapter. Till then, take care and stay healthy. Bye bye.